Hi, I'm Susan Boyko, and I'm a graduate student at Brock University. And the question that intrigues me is, why is yawning contagious? And I thought I'd like to respond to that question because I just read an article yesterday that was postulating, oh, I know, it was in the book by Daniel Pink, and it suggests that we yawn because we're empathetic, and that people who yawn in response to somebody else's yawn is more empathetic than someone who doesn't. Whether or not that's true, interesting question. However, that's my answer to the question.